Hello everyone, welcome to my channel INFY. In this video we are going to see how to install GoLang in macOS. So first head over to this website go.dev/doc/install. So now the installation of GoLang is very straightforward. First we need to download the go.pkg file into our system. So it automatically detects our system and the type of operating type of the system type, whether it is Silicon or Darwin. So now I'm going to download this. So I'm going to store it in somewhere. Okay, now you can see the .pkg file has been installed, has been downloaded. So it is very straightforward. You need to click on next, I agree, and done. So now we're going to open this file, and you can see the first step is the introduction, and now it will take for this much amount of size into your system, and now click on install. So now here you need to enter your. As you can see, it has been installing. It is going to take some time, and it will be completed. Now as you can see, the installation was successful. It automatically adds the path into the system, and it automatically does everything that we require to run a Go program. So now let us verify whether the installation is successful or not by typing which Go. So this command shows us the path where the Go has been installed. So as you can see, we have got the Go path, and now let us see if we are able to run any command. Let us check the Go version which we have installed. See, as you can see, the Go version which we have installed is Go version 1.18. So yeah, this is the pretty much basic installation for GoLang. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.